Hello everyone, this is Q-Man Aviation back again with another model review, and in today's model review we'll be looking at the 1 to 500 scale Herpa Wings Boeing 757-200. So here it is, here's the front of the box. Pretty nice looking model of the plane, or the photo. The side, the back, and the other side here. Now this is a pretty cool model because this is basically with most aircrafts that you heard of like Boeing and Airbus, they showcase their airplanes like this. So yeah, there's no airline's name, no nothing, just the Boeing company and the plane's number, which is pretty cool. Which is a pretty cool one. Now, Boeing 757 is a narrow-body airline. It's still in service. And yeah. Just like the Liberty of this one. So yeah, this is the Boeing logo and the Boeing 757 logo. The cockpit window, doors. Here's the back. The other side. See if we can get the engines look pretty good detail. I am very surprised. And the back here, the blue belly, Herpa Wings logo. The landing gear. What I don't like about Herpa Wings are the landing gear, because they're not accurate. But then again, they are doing a pretty good job with the accuracy of their aircraft landing gear, so I can't complain about that. So this is a yesterday model. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. Thank you all so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Follow me on my socials, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace!